want to show you a really simple setup. I will show you all of the settings towards the end of the video. I've got the trend and reversal, I've got the price action, and I've got some Bollinger Bands. This is the price action from Friday during the New York Open. This is a 1-minute NQ chart. The trend and reversal is painting the background color, it's painting the candle color, and it's also painting some of these arrows and triangles. This is based on an input of the RSI, and I also have a second instance painting some additional arrows and triangles that is based on the MACD. Then I've got some price action signals painting these light green and light pink arrows, white diamonds, and green and red dots. 3 different price action signals, and I've got a Bollinger Band filter applied to these price action signals. There's also about to be a new update to the price action indicator. Hopefully in the next week or so, there's going to be another signal and 2 other filters that you can apply to all 4 signals. So this is the first candle of the New York Open. We've got a triple signal. I've got the ebb and flow, got a boner candle, and I've got a big wick. The RSI trend flow is green, the RSI trend core is green. So this is a valid signal candle. So when I get the signal candle, I'm not just hopping into the trade. I'm waiting for a breakout on the NQ, just depending on the day and the amount of volatility. I usually like to see a break of around 2 points above the high if I'm going for a long, or if I'm going for a short, I like to see a break below by a couple points. Here we get the break higher, make it up over 40 points in a few minutes. Here we've got some RSI divergence, but the RSI candle is still green. The background I'm not worried so much about if I'm just going to take a small bounce trade, but I would like the RSI trend flow candle to be in alignment with the signal. Here we get a short signal, and we have the RSI candle red now, although this is not a bearish candle. That is a giant wick. It's bullish. Either way, I would be looking for a breakout lower, which we do not get. Here we got a short signal, red RSI, red background. We're looking for a break a couple points lower. By the time we get a break a couple points lower, the 20 SMA is right in the way. This is the center of the Bollinger Bands. I've got a Bollinger Band with a setting of 20, a standard deviation of 2. So I'm looking for us to get a nice close below the 20. See price just hugs the 20 SMA until we get a short signal. Boner candle to the downside off of the Bollinger Band. So we kind of closed right on the 20. I'm also going to be looking to my left for the recent lows. On this candle, we get a close below the 20. We dip down below all these lows. All systems go for a short. We end up dropping down 200 points in about 10 minutes. This is a news candle. I would not be holding through the news. But taking the break here, we got over 30 points in just a few minutes. So here we've got a triple signal to the upside, as well as a green RSI candle. Looking for a break higher, 73. We make it up 20 points in a minute. Plenty of room to get in my usual 5 to 10 point scalp. That's what I'm going for on the NQ most days, just depending on the volatility. Here we've got another bullish signal, MACD reversal, green RSI candle. We never get a break higher, no trade triggered there. Another MACD reversal, no break higher, no trade. The RSI trend core background is now green. Here we get some MACD divergence, plus green RSI candle, plus green RSI background. Looking for a break higher, we got plenty of room up to the 20 to catch a 5 or 10 point scalp. Price pops up over 30 points in 2 minutes. So several great trade opportunities today. Trading a system like this just requires patience and discipline, like anything else. Waiting for the setups, waiting for the confirmation. On any given day, there will be plenty of setups. I'm just looking to take the ones that I feel very comfortable with. Here is the exact same setup on Wednesday, I believe. I just loaded some playback data to mess around with. This is an even more simplified version. I took away the MACD trend and reversal signals. So this is just the trend and reversal with the RSI as an input, and then the price action indicator along with the Bollinger Bands. So this is the New York open session from 9:30 to 10:30 on the NQ 1-minute chart. This is a little bit easier to see here. So today there was no RSI reversal signals, but there was 3 different divergent signals. This is RSI divergence, red triangle, green triangle, red triangle. And when I get these signal candles, I'm looking for the breakout below or above by usually a couple points. I like when I've got a double signal right here, got a boner candle to the downside right here, got a big wick. This signal, there's only the one signal and the candle is still red, the background's still red. This is the first candle of the New York Open. We had an ebb and flow to the downside. I did take this trade when I was practicing on the market replay. Got the break lower, had my stop above the entry candle, easily got my full 10 points there. I also took this trade because it was a double signal. We had ebb and flow and a boner candle to the upside, and we closed above the center of the Bollinger Band, which is the 20 SMA. So 3 things going in my favor. Took the breakout, again plenty of room to get the full 10 points. This double signal, taking the break lower, we got enough room down to the 20 SMA to get our 10 points in there. I'm usually scalping for 5 to 10 points on the NQ just based on volatility. Here we get a boner candle to the downside, just one signal. We're buttoned up right against the 20 SMA. We never break lower, no trade triggered. Boner candle to the upside, RSI candles turn green. Not that much room to go until the 20 SMA. Probably not a trade that I'm going to take. I may be looking for a breakout long above the 20, although it looks like this was a news candle at 10 o'clock. Probably going to stay out of that. Here we get a double signal, ebb and flow, and a boner candle to the downside. We get a close right above the 20. So I'd say if we broke down below the 20, below this low, below this double signal entry candle, could be a good short. Market drops off about 60 points there. Double signal, got a red candle. After this massive move down, that's already almost about a 50% retracement on that move. Probably not going to be looking for a long right there. Either way, price does not break above, no trade triggered. Here we got a double signal, never get a break lower, plus we're right up against the 20, no trade. The last trade I might have taken, we got a double signal, boner candle, and some RSI divergence. Red RSI trend flow candle, taking a break lower. We got plenty of room down to the 20 SMA, pop down 20 points. So there is another day full of possible trades. So let's take a look at the settings. I've got the standard built-in Bollinger Bands, standard deviation of 2, period of 20. On the main instance of the MMT trend and reversal indicator, got the trend flow turned on, strength of 1, SMA filter is on, period of 3, directional filter is off. Got it painting the bars and the outline. I've got the reversals set to a look back of 6, overbought, oversold of 60 and 40. Got the trend core on. One of my favorite trend core periods, number 7. Overbought, oversold 50 and 50. SMA filter is on with a period of 3. You can see here it's painting the background. Divergence is on. Look back period of 1. Overbought and oversold 80 and 20. And I'm using an input series of the RSI default settings. Second instance of the MMT trend and reversal. I've got the divergence signals activated and I have the reversal signal activated. Same settings, I just changed the color of the arrows so I can tell them apart. And on this I've got the input series of the MACD default settings as well. Then I've got the trend core turned off and the trend flow turned off for the MACD instance of the trend and reversal indicator. For the price action, got the ebb and flow on, got the boner candles on, got the wicks on, directional filter is on for the wicks. All 3 Bollinger filters are turned on. Standard deviation 2, period of 20, same as my Bollinger Bands on the chart. Those are the settings. Just wanted to share yet another possible way that you can use these indicators in combination. You always want to do your own back testing, play around with the settings, find something that works best for the instrument and the time frame that you trade. There are links to the indicators in the description if you're interested in learning more. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.